So guys, in this video we are going to design our main menu. So for doing that we need to go to our game asset. Here I prepare some sprite. So let's go to our canvas, our background, and here we have now below. I'm going to bring our BG here and put it there and change the color again to white. So now next part is our start and quit button. So I'm going to our start button here, going to drag our button, this one, to there. And same for our quit. So now I'm going to also make them white. And I prefer to make them a little bit bigger. So I'm going to highlight both of them. Back to a screen. So yes, I need to double click on them to come to our canvas. I'm going to make it a little bit. So highlight first both of them and make them a bit bigger. Same for our text. I want to make our text to be white. Instead of quit, I prefer to write exit. It's a little bit big. So now the next part I want to change, instead of here sound, to change it to this gear icon. So this one was our sound here, and this one, this sound button here, I'm going to put our gear button there. A little bit make it a square. So then I need to remove the text because we don't need that text anymore. Okay, that's perfect. So now next step is our window, that obvious sound here. So first go and to our window sound, activate it. Then here I'm going to use this table here for our background, maybe back to white. So now I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So now let's change the master volume slider. I want to make the background to be this color, load bar background. Same for our SFX and our music volume. So now for the fill area, let's click on this fill area. I wanted to make it, we can use the yellow or to red. I'm going to use the green for the master, so the red for master, and for other field I'm going to use the yellow one. So now let's make this fill area a little bit bigger. So this our slider, I want to make our slider a little bit bigger. And make them a little bit smaller around here. So now I need to make an image for all of them, to put this image, the button for the sound and for the music. So here I'm going to right click, UI, new image. Going to bring this part here, then change the size, maybe to 50-50. Oh, it's too small, 75 at 75. Now I'm going to put this, I'm going to put that one for our master volume. Then I'm going to duplicate it 2 times. First one I'm going to bring it down to our slider, make it to child of our slider, and also the another one to be child of our music slider. So now I'm going to, this one will be, going to bring it down. Bring it down here. For SFX and music, I'm going to change it to this one. So now we need to change a little bit of our UI still to make it more adjust and more beautiful, because right now I don't find it really messy. So we need to make the text a little bit up. For example, I'm going to make this volume. I think I don't need that one. I'm going just UI, make a new image, bring it up. Make it big at this size. Then I'm going to put it as setting on that. Okay. We name it to setting image. And I'm going to make it the child of our Windows sound. Now we can delete the volume, we don't need that volume. So let's see how's it. We need still another adjustment. And now last things, I'm going to bring our slider a little bit down. And the image up. So I'm going to adjust them. Now we need to do the same things for the rest of them. Just adjust the image and the slider. So now I adjust them. It become look like that. So I change also the color. If you want, you can also go to the fill area, this part, and change it to something else. Because if the blue with green to combine them, it causes the color green. So now the last things we need this close button to make also the more beautiful close button. I'm going to use this one. Then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And put it there. And I can remove this text. We don't need that text anymore. So now I adjust them. Let's test it. As you see, that is our music. And when I push this button, I will going to close it, open it. Here we have a start and update, and we start and exit. We need to also just change this color. So let's make this font of a sound window invisible. Here I don't want that becoming green. We can make it maybe yellow. Yeah, I'm going to keep the yellow one. Perfect. So now this is our main menu. In the next part, we are going to work on our scene, our game scene. So see you in the next video.